Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best splash pad is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing ways to beat the summer heat, transforming your backyard into a mini water park for endless fun and laughter, especially for kids who will absolutely love the interactive sprays and gentle water features that provide hours of cool entertainment without the need for a full-sized pool, making it a perfect addition for families looking to create lasting summer memories right at home. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing splash pad designed for children 12 months and older. It creates endless adventures with its gentle sprinklers. Keep your children cool and safe with this parent-approved outdoor toy. It's made with quality materials and is free from harmful chemicals. We believe in the power of play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As a company that cares about your children's safety and toy quality, we are here to ensure you have a great experience. What we like? This one is designed with learning in mind. If you are looking for a way to combine fun and education, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want their little ones to absorb knowledge while they play. What people say? It's been perfect for summer, super fun for both the kids and the dogs, and a great way to keep everyone cool. I also love that it's sturdy and doesn't feel flimsy like some others. The material seems to be thick and sturdy, with the water coming up to my daughter's ankle. After a year it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. Other than that, it is still in like new condition and works great. Zero rips, tears or defects after multiple uses, with toys being thrown in it and stepped on. Number 4. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with our shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? Safety and space are top priorities here. If you have both kids and pets, or just want a larger splash area for everyone, this is the one to consider. Its non-slip surface ensures worry-free fun for all. What people say? The splash pad is easy to set up and fill, and the water sprays out nicely. My kids love the different spray patterns, and the size is perfect for our backyard. Number 3. 3-in-1 Inflatable Baby Pool, Bathtub and Ball Pit. Introducing a versatile 3-in-1 inflatable pool, perfect for babies and toddlers. It serves as a pool, a bathtub, and a ball pit, offering endless fun. Designed with your child's safety in mind, it features built-in grip handles. These provide stability for little hands as they play or learn to sit up. Enjoy a soft, padded floor for maximum comfort during playtime or bath time. Plus, a convenient built-in drain makes emptying the water a breeze. Crafted from premium quality, thick, and baby-safe materials, this product is built to last. It's durable enough for everyday use, both indoors and outdoors. Its smart square design offers more play space and fits perfectly in standard shower stalls or small bathrooms. It's an ideal solution for apartments or homes without a bathtub. This versatile item easily transforms into a fun ball pit or a contained play space. Simply bring it indoors and fill it with balls for a different kind of entertainment. Setting up is quick and simple, and it folds down flat for effortless storage. This makes it great for travel, visits, or living in a small space. What we like? This option offers enhanced safety and versatility. If you need a secure and comfortable space for your baby to play, especially in smaller living areas or apartments, this is ideal. The added grip handles provide extra support for little ones. What people say? It's the perfect size. Blows up quick. The material is phenomenal. Great quality. Perfect little pool to use for a ball pit with 200 count balls for 1-year-old. Exactly what I was looking for and love the blue color. Easy to blow up in seconds using the hose blower feature on my shop vac. This is the perfect size for my little guy. He started sitting up on his own right around the start of summer and he loved being able to sit up in here and splash away without falling over, thanks to the wall support. It holds air really well, was easy to blow up with our air pump, and we had this outside with the dogs and on top of brick sticks and haven't had any issues with holes or popping. Number 2. Intex Dinoland Play Center Kiddie Pool. Transform your backyard into a mini water park. Slide and splash into the wading pool or enjoy fun games. Forget the filter. Just fill it up and let the outdoor play begin. Draining and cleanup are a breeze too. Enjoy a soft pool slide with a landing pad. A movable Dino Arch water sprayer adds extra coolness while splashing. It includes built-in games like Dino Hoops and Volcanic Ball Roller. These offer hours of refreshing fun and creativity. With dimensions of 131L x 90W x 44H and a 74-gallon capacity, it's perfect for kids to play and cool off. What we like? Get ready for a full water park experience in your backyard. If you want to keep multiple children entertained with a variety of activities, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for families looking for an all-in-one water play solution. What people say. The water spray is strong and covers a large area, making it fun for kids. It's easy to set up and connect to a hose, and the material feels durable. The design is engaging with different spray patterns that kids love. Number 1. Intex Gator Inflatable Kiddie Pool. Get ready for endless summer adventures with this fun inflatable kiddie pool. It's designed for maximum enjoyment and easy setup for your little ones. This pool comes with a thrilling slide, a padded landing mat for safety, and fun sprinklers. It even includes a bucket and a flow-a-tie to keep the excitement going. Simply attach your garden hose to the built-in water sprayer. This provides a continuous stream of water for non-stop backyard water play. Crafted from durable PVC, this pool is made to withstand countless hours of play. Enjoy summer after summer with a toy that's built to last. It holds up to 42 gallons of water and supports up to 120 pounds. This spacious pool is ideal for children aged 2 and up, offering a safe and enjoyable water experience. What we like? This is all about maximizing the fun with exciting features. If you want a splash pad that offers more than just water, with a slide and interactive elements, this is a fantastic option. It's great for kids who love active play and imaginative adventures. What people say. The quality really impressed me. It feels durable and well made, not like those flimsy pools that easily tear. It was also very easy to set up and inflate, which is a huge plus for busy parents. The slide actually does work quite well. I didn't expect it to. I figured the kids would just climb and roll around on it and stuff, but it actually does work. The quality is amazing considering how many kids of different sizes have played in it and no holes yet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.